Welcome to this first section in the Digital Marketing Masterclass, all about defining your purpose and finding out your true target audience. Now, this is a very important part of the whole digital marketing process, if not the most important part, because what we do now in this section will affect what we're going to be doing in the rest of these sections. In all of the sections about content marketing, about social media, about advertising, what we find out right now in this section is going to affect that. So I know some of you are going to be like, Phil, I want to get to the good stuff. I want to be making viral videos. I want to be blowing up on Instagram. I want to be putting out ads that direct people to my products and services and actually make sales. And I know we're going to get there. I want you to know that. We will get there. But first, this is so important. I ran my own business for many years before I actually sat down and did these exercises. And I'm going to break them down over the next few videos. Simple exercises that will help you understand not only who you are as a business better, but also your audience and how you can serve them better. That's what this is all about. So enough intro, let's get straight to it. First, we're talking about defining your business. And really, the core question is, what are you doing to make the world a better place? And in addition, what problem are you solving? Let's look at Video School Online, my media business, as an example. Problem one is going to film, photography, or design school is expensive and doesn't work for most people's schedules or budgets. I know. I went to a private film school, Loyola Marymount, one of the top 10 in the country. I was over $107,000 in debt after graduation. Luckily, because I grew my own business, I was able to pay that off within the first 2 or 3 years of graduating, but not many people can do that. And many people should do that, should go to an expensive film school to learn these skills that you can learn other ways. That's the problem. And the solution to this problem is that you can learn with affordable, yet high quality online courses at your own pace. You don't have to go to a traditional school to learn. So after you come up with your problem and your solution, come up with sort of a statement. This isn't technically your mission statement, but it's a statement of your purpose. For Video School Online, the world would be a better place if people could learn creative skills without paying for expensive schools. So that sums everything up right there. The next problem that I'm trying to solve is that there's a steep learning curve to knowing how to use the tools that help people create high quality visuals. So this is kind of a step back. We're not just talking about film school or photo school, it's all visuals, and we're talking about the tools being difficult. So my solution is we break down complicated subjects so people with no experience can not only learn the tool, but learn how to use it right. Because that's what I've experienced in film school, but also with online tutorials and online courses. A lot of people teach you how to use the tool, what buttons to click, what options you have, but they don't teach you how to use it in a proper way. So our purpose statement is, for Video School Online, the world would be a better place if creative skills were easy to learn. And that at its core is what we aim to do. Now let's look at a few case studies, but after watching this lesson, I want you to do this. I want you to write down the problem that you're solving, the solution you have, and then that problem solution statement. For your business, the world would be a better place if what? You fill in the rest.